Hello there. So it's my first video of the new year officially, not counting the streams that I've done. So um, I said I was going to start off with um, a taste test video. Got a few, as I said in the stream. I got a couple of Japanese and Korean sweets that I got for Christmas, but as a Christmas present. So I thought some of these things I haven't tried, so I might as well do a taste test video. Let's start with, I'll do one at a time and like maybe wait a couple of days before we move on to the next one. So let's start with striking popping candy. I've had popping candy before, but this is strawberry flavored, 20 pouches. So ingredients: sugar 59%, corn syrup 20%, lactose milk 18%, acidity regulator 296, artificial flavor, carbon dioxide 290, color 129. So yeah, pretty much all the sugary contents that you would expect, really. So Hong Kong, it also says on here, Hong Kong striking popping candy. I have no idea how I'm going to actually open this. Right, that was easy enough. Apparently there's 20 packets in here. Yeah. There's one there. They're tiny. Little tiny packets. So, that's fine. Popping candy. I know. Let's see what they taste like as soon as I can open it. Yep, definitely smells like popping candy. Alright, bottoms up. I can definitely hear the popping sound. Does it taste like strawberry though? Actually, it does a bit. It does taste like strawberry. So that's good. Does exactly what it said it was going to do. Not bad. I'll probably get through these very quickly since there's only, well, now 19 of them. Probably will give that, for overall flavor, 7 out of 10. Leaning towards an 8 out of 10. Yeah, they're not bad. Like, you can probably get through these quite quickly. There's nothing really much else to say. They're popping candy after all. So, yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon for the next taste test video. If you see these around, give them a try. If you like popping candy. But yeah, popping candy. Not much else to say, so have a good day, guys. Bye.